in the water, and on land.
I found a lot. I've never seen so many shells.
People at Lido Beach are spending a lot of time looking down.
Be careful because they're sharp.
A renourishment project has uncovered mounds of shells and pushed them on shore, stretching more than a mile long in both directions.
They're not broken or anything.
Bailey Correa works at Lime Tree Beach Resort. These were her finds.
I love shells, so I just wanted to go find some shells.
It's unreal, something I haven't seen anything like it before. Hurried and ran to them as fast as I could.
Jenny McCrae started just after sunrise.
My grandma was really into it, and I never thought I would be, and the older I got, the more I got into it.
A sharp eye helped her uncover 3 rare Junonia shells.
I usually stay still in one spot and wait for them to come to me. You have to have a quick eye and a quick hand.
Shells like these are often found on Captiva and Sanibel and are easily uncovered after a storm passes through. Dr. Jose Liel says dredging a big pass has brought them up.
I know that pass is relatively deep, so it makes sense that you're getting all those nice specimens.
The Bailey Matthews National Shell Museum on Sanibel has an online database of nearly 400 shells you can compare your finds to.
There's that expectancy. You never know what you're going to find next.
And with piles like these, there's enough to keep you searching until you spot the perfect find.
And I think that's what keeps a lot of people going.
From Lido Beach, Kimberly Quizon, Fox 13 News.